Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Neptune. Rules Pisces. Exaltation not yet established. Detriment Virgo. Fall not yet established. Jif. Trident of Poseidon, the sea god. Represents spiritual or escapist urge. Anatomy. The spinal column, nerve fibers, feet, pineal gland, telepathic functions, white corpuscles of the blood, kinesthetic functions. Keyword: intuition. General rules: maritime matters, liquids, music, movies, stage and television, glamour, dreams, illusion, delusion, spirituality, ideals, mystique, hunches, and the things we take deeply for granted in life without questioning. Rules: fog, petroleum, mystery, anesthetics, flattery, intangibles, fragrances, second sight, love of poetry, color and dancing. Neptune governs drugs and drug addiction, alcoholism, hypochondria, sleepwalking, trances, hypnosis, immateriality and abnormality. Neptune's action is subtle, gradual and sometimes insidious. It is the higher octave of Venus and the second of the transcendental planets. Where you find Neptune in the chart is where you tend to deceive yourself and/or others. It is also where you seek the ideal. 11th house, it means love received. It shows the love you receive. Goals, friends, hopes and wishes, circumstances beyond control, love received. Natural sign is Aquarius. Natural ruler is Uranus. Keyword is social consciousness. 11th house is a house of side-by-side relationships and air. Quality is succeeding house. General. The 11th house shows your ability in friendship, your attitude towards friends and acquaintances, and all non-emotional relationships. This house for what you want most in life, your goals, you receive love as well as money earned from a career. It shows stepchildren, foster children and adopted children, as well as the circumstances in which you have little control. Here we see your humanitarian benefit, the way you see others, the organizations and the clubs you belong to, in some way related to your career. Neptune in the 11th house. The planet Neptune placed in the 11th house of your chart means that you are likely to be attracted to spiritual and humanitarian friends or groups. You can also have an inspiring impact on the lives of your friends or act as an inspirational catalyst in a group. However, if you have negative influences in your chart, then you are likely to suffer from unusual and deceptive friends and acquaintances. You may also receive bad advice from friends, leading to loss and complications in life. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.